Street Dental Clinic. My name is Christian Mehl, and thank you so much for your time watching the following small video about how to clean removable dentures. Removable dentures need special care in contrast to natural teeth. So we show you exactly how to clean them and how to maintain them for a very long time. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you very much for your time.
Yeah, welcome to the fifth and last part of the dental hygiene series we made, and this part is, as we said, about cleaning removable dentures. So you can see here a quite old removable denture which has been taken care of by the patient really well, and this is a so-called cover denture with telescopic crowns. Cover denture means that the artificial gum part covers the teeth entirely, and telescopic, you'll see that in a second now, means that the teeth, remaining teeth, 6 in the upper jaw and the canines in the lower jaw, support that denture. So it is really important, as with all the other things, whether you use electrical toothbrush or, like in this instance, the manual toothbrush, obey the rules. That means 45-degree angle, and really try to clean all the surfaces. Really go around, have a strategy, watch what you're doing. Don't brush your teeth while watching TV. So take the dentures out, clean your teeth with toothpaste. I just left the toothpaste in this case to show how to brush it properly and have it a little easier. And then really, especially in between teeth, this is where most problems start. You can see it starts bleeding a little bit. Don't be worried about the bleeding. Keep on brushing, and really clean all the surfaces. And then, as shown in the other video, really clean the dentures. You can watch that if you want in the fourth part of our dental hygiene series. Yeah, thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed these quick, small flicks, and we hope that we could help a little bit in improving your dental hygiene and making the dentures, implant restoration, crowns and bridges, all your natural teeth last and work for you a little longer. Thank you very much for watching, and have a lovely time wherever you are. Thank you.